reception area, wash-up area, and ablution block right here by the entrance, by the gate. Another wash-up area and ablution block. Porta potty dumping sites. Ablution block. Gents on the left, ladies on the right. Wash-up area here on the right hand side. Laundry. Right at the end of the park. Pool area. Jungle gym, swing, pool, another jungle gym with a slide, with a deck overlooking the sea. Unfortunately they're closed on a Sunday. Swimming area over there, and I see fishermen come fish here on the rocks all day. And then there's lifeguards here. Lifeguards on duty. He taps per site, or how many sites per tap, but standard through the tap. Round plugs at all the sites. And for sure, there's lots of light when there's no load shedding at night. Lights all over the place. All the access gates, it's got normal locks on it. You all get a key when you come in, and you also get a token to open the main gate, entrance gate to the property. Lots of frogs and mushrooms.